was this phone charging at all? Was it charging? So I'm going to look at the voltage which the charger is bringing in. So let me connect the charger here. I'm going to take my multimeter and I put it on continuity test. No, voltage test. I'm sorry. Put it on voltage test. There is the multimeter. So I'm going to test for the current here. I'm going to test for the voltage here. So we see it there. The phone is reporting, it's fluctuating. The voltage is fluctuating, and that is not good. This means that the phone may charge or not charge.